YouTube, what's up, what's up? Thank you so much for tuning in to another announcement video by Ronnie. I am with Notadoc. I am in Florida. So let me just tell you just a little about this video and what it entails. It's basically an announcement of notary training. I have been conducting notary training sessions now for about a year. I started shortly after I had the conference last year in the fall. Why did I do that? It's because a lot of the participants wanted one-on-one training. They were like, this conference was the bomb, but I feel like I still need one-on-one, not necessarily holding their hand, but by the time they would have received their notebook, their packet, their cheat sheet, they still felt like they were going to have questions, and they wanted to be able to do a one-on-one in person, a one-on-one Zoom, something like that, where we meet up like at a library, we meet like at a public place. So let me just show you the packet. So hold on just a moment. So this is the packet that they would have received at the conference. And yes, it has a lot of good information in it. It is loaded with notary stuff. I call it the learning and prep workbook that I created, I put together. And so yeah, they felt like, a lot of them felt like they still was going to need like one-on-one guidance, but more so questions after the conference. And so I thought about it. I received like several texts, plenty emails, and then I was just receiving emails that was basically coming over from my website. And so I've been doing it now again for about a year. And so my requests has picked up. And just this week alone, I've done 2 full 4-hour sessions. It is just about the notary signing agent feeling confident. And of course, these applicants who are wanting more training, they are not seasoned. They literally have been in the notary signing role, notary signing agent role for pretty much a year or 2 years or less. And so I can see why they would want a little bit more hands-on training, because they probably feel the way I felt. And it's not probably, they do. They felt the way I felt, or they are feeling the way I felt back in 2021. And my video from Starbucks basically is proof that I felt that way too. So I am excited today. I have my regular coffee, not my Starbucks tea, and I am ready. We are going to hit it. Like I say, their materials comes with their notebook. It comes with a sample. It comes with a folder full of all kinds of stuff in it. And so, yeah, I'm excited. This is the cover of their notebook. Yes. And so I'm excited. And yeah, so if you are in need of notary training, okay, meaning that you already have your notary certificate, your commission, and you're wanting to become a notary signing agent, or you are already a notary signing agent, but you still feel like you need a little bit more one-on-one training, give me a call, send me an email, send me a text, and let's talk about it, okay? I want to talk about it if you want to talk about it, and I want to help you succeed in this notary industry, okay? One-on-one training for notary, hook me up. I am Ronnie. I am, again, from the Sunshine State of Florida, and I love what I do. Bye.